May
I be please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 5, Lordship. Praying for 3 weeks' time.
Why? Seems nobody is interested in this case.
So I'm for the state respondent.
This is a land acquisition matter.
Lordship.
For enhancement of rent.
Yes, sir. You are the claimant. Not interested.
No, just
So why would you seek for time again and again?
I think today actually I have to go to Nagans, Your Lordship. I'll be moving now, therefore. I know next day it will complete.
Lordship. What do you want? 18th.
On plea made by the appellant seeking accommodation on the ground that the learned senior counsel who is conducting the matter is not is indisposed. Matter is adjourned. This is a matter to 3 weeks.
Okay, Lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention item number 7, Your Lordship. Item number 7.
Why?
The conducting counsel is out of station, Your Lordship.
Who is the conducting counsel?
Mr. S.K. Hassan.
This is the respondent.
Respondent number 2, Your Lordship.
I'm for the state respondents. My lord, I also make a similar prayer. The state council, its state is represented Mr. Kharwanlam, and he's still under treatment, my lord.
What is this matter? Who is the petitioner?
I'm for the petitioner. This is an application for quashing of an FIR, Your Lordship.
282, my lord, it's a POXO. Under POXO.
POXO.
Yes, Your Lordship.
What is the stage of the case?
It's evidence, Your Lordship. None of the witnesses have been examined.
It is at the evidence stage.
Yes, Your Lordship.
And you're coming for quashing of the FIR?
Quashing of the entire criminal proceeding, Your Lordship.
Okay. How long?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Adjournment is sought for on behalf of the letter counsel for the on behalf of the respondent number 2, on the ground that the letter conducting counsel is indisposed. The prayer not being objected to by the petitioner seems allowed. This is matter to 2 weeks.
My lord, I beg to mention item number 4, my lord. This is a gradation. They challenged the gradation list, my lord. The petitioner has also retired. And
who has retired?
The petitioner has retired, and even those officers who have been made as a party here, majority has also retired. So according to us, it's in fractures. So however, my lord, my friend has a different submission to make. So I'm praying.
See, whatever the case,
my lord,
the incumbent may have retired.
Yes, my lord. So I'm
but
praying
if
for
there
some
are
accommodation.
there are dues,
My lord,
or promotional
benefits,
upgradation
my lord,
that is required to be given, that could be done if they succeed. It
my
would be
lord,
done notionally.
that is up to how the matter goes, my lord. I'm
It's not
praying for
necessary that
accommodation.
the matter stands abated with
My lord,
retirement.
as per us, my friend will substantiate his case, my lord.
You are for
I'm for
respondent.
the state respondents 1 to 5, my lord.
Petitioner. I'm for the petitioner.
Yes, what is your submission?
I pray for some more time. Lordship.
My lord, it is actually a joint prayer. They are also not ready for the matter, it appears.
On prayer made by the parties, this is matter of the 3 weeks.
God bless you, Lord.
May I please, Lordship? I beg to mention item number 6.
Why?
On behalf of the petitioner.
Lordship, conducting counsel entered in this matter recently. He needs some more research, Lordship.
Who's the conducting counsel?
Mr. S.S.A. Lordship.
This is that, what is the matter about? You are for the
Land
petitioner?
holding certificates.
For
Your
land
Lordship.
holding. This way nothing can be done on premier by the Land Council on behalf of the respondent.
Number 7, Lordship.
Number 7. Number 7.
Yes, Lordship. Respondent 7.
Who is respondent number 7?
Tapandre.
Respondent number 7 on the ground that the Land Conducting Council is indisposed. Yes, observe. In any case, if the respondent number 7 is not there, the other respondents are there. All the other respondents are there. We'll hear the petitioner, and some of the respondent can reply. You can take your time. Not go on like this. Why? The petitioner is ready.
Your Lordship, we only received this joint affidavit filed by the petitioner and on behalf of respondent court, and I need some more time, Your Lordship.
Rejoinder.
Rejoined time. Yes, Lordship.
After in the last occasion, the respondent filed an additional affidavit bring on certain facts. Now Your Lordship has passed some interim orders. Now the petitioner has sought time filing the reply to them as well.
I've already filed.
That has been filed.
Yes, yes.
This is where the status quo order was
passed.
directed. Yeah. Menurut kau, boleh kan? Matter is adjourned on the petitioner not objecting to the same. This is the after 2 weeks.
Ali Oblak, Lordship.
On an issue.
Please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item 1. I'm bring for 2 weeks time, Your Lordship.
This is also a very old matter, 2020.
Yes, Lordship.
2 years down the line, nothing is done.
An appeal is pending before the division bench, Lordship.
Appeal.
Yes, Lordship.
Lordship, this is that inquiry matter pertaining to the suspension of the chief.
Okay, okay.
This first inquiry, I've been exonerated, been reinstated back as a chief. Because of some other reasons, again, another complaint has been filed against me. I've been suspended now, facing the second inquiry.
So this matter pertains to the first inquiry.
The report against the first inquiry.
Yes, now I vaguely remember. Otherwise,
That Langren same ship.
Langren.
So again, Your Lordship, we had approached Your Lordship for setting aside the suspension order. Your Lordship has discussed our petition. We are on appeal.
Okay. That is the subsequent
The second complaint.
second complaint and second suspension. Whereas in this case, you have been suspended and reinstated. Thereafter, the inquiry report was published
And they are agreeing by that. That's why they have filed this.
on the ground that they have not been heard or not be a party. On premier by the petitioner, matter is adjourned. Let's see after 2 weeks.
Similar prayer for item number 3, Your Lordship.
This is what is this court here for? This is very unfortunate. I think this matter was heard, wasn't it?
Not heard, Your Lordship, only just what is the matter about.
No, I think we'll hear this matter. At least there must be some work done by this court today.
Lordship, the senior counsel is having one part heard matter in court room number 4, Lordship.
You start. You are there.
Lordship, I'm not ready today.
Why you not? Then why are you standing here for? You are the petitioner. You are the counsel for the petitioner. It is expected of you. See, this is not the first time that this court or any court for that matter has, impressed upon the counsel. We are not seeing junior or senior counsel, but we are seeing counsel who are appearing for the parties to be briefed as far as the matter is concerned. It is incumbent upon you to go to the facts. You go to the facts and take up this matter.
Item number 2.
May it please your Lordship. Your Lordship, as per the last order, we were to furnish the information regarding proceedings of the DPC. So we have brought the records. The petitioner counsel wanted to have a look at it. He can have a look at it. We have the records with us.
Have you made a classification of the file?
Your Lordship, this was sent from the department actually. It was sent like this.
It may have been sent from the department. It's incumbent upon you to go through the file and see what is relevant. You can't expect the court to flip through each and
no, Your
every
Lordship.
page.
Actually, in the Your Lordship, in the last occasion, the petitioner counsel had asked to go through the records. So we will prepare the index and give him a copy of
You have
this.
prepared.
We will prepare, Your Lordship. The petitioner counsel is Jha. So
Yes. Who's appearing petitioner? He's not here.
Your Lordship, he's not around.
What are the records required for?
Your Lordship, you want to...
Is it for the DPC issue or
Your Lordship,
ACP?
this is an issue with regards to the promotion of the officer. Your Lordship, from the rank of assistant commandant, so he was denied promotion to the rank of second in commandant. So this regards with that matter. So there was an internal proceeding that was conducted. So for that reason, the petitioner counsel wanted to have a look at the records, which were given to us by the department.
He is privy to the record?
Your Lordship, in the last date, we were asked to bring the records. So
Bringing the record is one thing. If the record is required only for the perusal of the court, it is incumbent upon you to point out to the court, because some of these records may contain confidential
yes, Your Lordship.
matters.
Yes, Your Lordship. Your Lordship.
So that is why I have time and again said, if there are only relevant papers to be, which could be looked into by the petitioner, you should flag only those, not flag, you should photocopy those relevant papers and, prepare a file and show it to him.
Yes,
What is not necessary, or as I have said earlier, what could be confidential, information could not be divulged. I think this involved a police personnel, or is it an army? Who's the petitioner here?
Petitioner is he is Trideep Sangma, Your Lordship. He is assistant commandant. He was, according to the facts, he's
Assistant commandant of which? BSF?
BSF, Your Lordship.
Yes. So this is a paramilitary force.
Your Lordship, since the petitioner counsel is not here today, we will prepare the index and give him the photocopy of the relevant portions.
None appears for the petitioner. On premier by the United Counsel for the respondent, matter is adjourned. List the same after 2 weeks.
Much obliged, Your Lordship.
Item number 3.
My Lord, this matter I I seek some accommodation next week, my lord. In fact, I have a very all two-parted matter that will be taken up in the next court and fixed today for final hearing because of some limitation today.
See, you know very well, as far as this court is concerned,
Yes.
I'm very liberal with granting adjournment.
Yes.
But there are times, such as this, such as today, when practically the whole list is exhausted because of adjournment. That's number one. That's beside the point.
Right.
But the point is, I have told your junior colleague, when you are in the case, it is incumbent upon you to know the facts.
Yes, yes.
You should be prepared whenever there's a query from the court.
Right.
You should be prepared to answer.
Right.
Can I just come here and say I'm not instructed?
Right.
I don't know the facts. That would not do.
Yes.
You know very well. See how our Chief Justice would encourage juniors.
Yes, yes.
So it's high time we do that.
Right.
Otherwise, in this way, we understand. We understand your predicament.
Right.
You might be involved in some other court which would not be fair for this court to to insist. Under the circumstances, your junior colleague should be well versed with the matter.
Right.
If there is some difficulty in course of proceedings, then the court will accommodate.
Right. Correct. Her name is Ivan.
Please read the file.
They should be aware.
You should tell your. In fact, you should insist upon your senior to allow you to go through the file.
Right. In fact, exactly that is what we used to do. Senior, when we used to assist a senior, at least we try to have a glance in all the files.
We should.
Right? They will follow. They will do. They should do.
I don't know. See, this is not in our times. There, of course, we know there are some seniors who would entrust the file entirely to the juniors.
Yes.
Because, as you know very well, it is the junior who should instruct the senior. That is the norm. Right. That is the practice.
Right.
There are some seniors who would not give the file.
Right.
So there are circumstances like that. But that should not be the case.
Right.
Mr. H.L. Sangriso, Laureate Senior Counsel, appearing for the petitioner, has sought for accommodation on grounds of personal difficulty. The same is not objected to by Laureate EAG, appearing for the state respondent. 2 weeks?
Yes.
Accordingly, on premium, this matter is now posted after 2 weeks.
Apply. I leave.